The poets are on the rise, that's no surprise. Open your eyes, pay attention closely. You'll realize we're making moves to be globally recognized. So I emphasize, support the poets, we're taking it worldwide. Hello and good day, Wagwan. This is Amaziah the Great. Welcome to my channel, Great Amaziah. Thanks so much for watching. Support is what we're lacking. So if you have not subscribed yet, go and do it now and about to avoid it. Oh, and hit the notification bell. So when we upload a new video, you'll be notified, my friends. Who is Malachi Smith? Well, some of us already know, some don't know, and some need to know. About 2 years or so ago, when I was first introduced to Smith at Rastakura's Poetry and Agro event in Portland by a female poet by the name of Antonia Valliere. Next thing we know, a little bit after that, we, along with some other poets like David St. Aubin, Wise Words, Dusty, Charlie Bubbles, Juliet Fallon Reed, Rashadai, we were all on this Jamaica All-Island Poetry School tour, and that was really fantastic. Students got involved and were more aware of the movements, and I honestly think more of them something I definitely needed in our schools, because some of them pick me and listen too much. Let me get back. Let me save that. Back to the Malachi story. So Malachi Smith was born in Jamaica in the parish of Westmoreland and grew up in Clarendon, St. Elizabeth and St. Catherine, staying with various family members. He's the son of a preacher man. Smith began writing poetry at age 8 and recorded his first poem, Kimbo to Kimbo, in 1979. His other CDs are Blacker the Berry, Sweeter the Cherry, Throw Two Punch in 1998, Middle Passage, and Luv Dub Fever. Hail to Jamaica is a collection of poems that features most of his award-winning poems about Jamaica. He won the 2009 Most Outstanding Writer Award for the Jamaica Development Commission Creative Writing Competition. Smith is also a retired member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force at the rank of a detective corporal, but now he's based in Miami, where he currently resides. Now, I'm going to talk about his latest project, his album when he come out with like few months ago, in November I think. It is called Tick Off. It is the latest body of work from the South Florida-based poet Malachi Smith. According to him, for this, it's his 8th studio album. He returned to his traditional journey voice. Now, hear what Malachi have to say.
My 8th studio album is Tick Off. Why Tick Off? Because I'm ticked off about a whole bunch of stuff that are happening in the contemporary world space. So there'll be police brutality, the marginalization of my people, the type of suffering that we're experiencing, internationally. Whether it be in Jamaica, in Africa, in Haiti, in the Caribbean, South and Central America, wherever we are, we're going through a period. So I deliberately, on this project, decided to embark on a journey to ask questions, to seek answers. And I love to do that. It's my stronger voice. So Beat Down Zion Door is actually a journey to find, our creator and really say boss.
Malachi Smith, why is this album important? And what's the real reason for doing an album like this?
We're tired of knocking, so we come to kick down some door because we really want some answer about what is happening in this contemporary world space.
Tell me please, what are some of the issues, like the main topics this album relating to?
Tackles issues like mental illness, these with longing to, there's a poem, The Blacker the Berry, which I did a remix of because I love to celebrate my black women. I love to elevate, to lift them up, take them to another level. So I deliberately threw in a remix of The Blacker the Berry in there. In all, it has 11 exciting tracks, and it features collaboration, with stars like Novel T, there's Shanti I, who did some background vocals and Beat Down Zion Door, and of course the legend Eugene Gray played lead guitar and Beat Down Zion Door. So in all, it's a beautiful album. I like the album a lot. Out of my 8 albums, It is one of the top 3. Really love this album. As I say, it's the type of album that pulls you in, forces you to reason.
Well, so there you have it for yourself. You heard it from the man himself, tackling issues of police brutality, repatriations, bankrupt political leaders, and mental illness and so.
It's not just an album you just listen and forget. It's gonna force you to have a conversation with yourself and higher being.
Tick Off was released in November 2020. The 11-track work was self-produced on the Poets 4M music imprint and distributed by Zodiac Worldwide. So go and get your copy now. The feedback has been doing great. Malachi elaborates. People been streaming all over the place, but mostly on electronic distributions them a concentrate. A launch party for Tick Off did go on Jepper's Place, right in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on November 22nd, 2020. It was an invitation-only occasion, streamed live on iRetimes.com. Sons of Moistro and Cherry Natural were among the acts in the performance. Smith said he has huge expectations for this project. Oh, and before I go, there's something else you should know. Smith is also a host of the weekly radio program Strictly Roots, Dub Poetry and More, which airs on WZOP and WZPP in Florida. And yeah, he plays my songs, my poetry, and enough other poets and artists too. Malachi Smith, congratulations on your new album. Big up my friend, tell them precisely.
The late winter moon lights the stage. 62nd Street to 71st Street along 18th Avenue. Come watch the play, Inner City, American Broadway. 20th Century Ghetto production plays. Bodies like Plymouth, a drum of old board blazes. Characters warm themselves under the spotlight. They gather center stage beneath the communal tree from many different stations. High hopes of one destination and wait for the train at the wrong stop. No Hollywood makeup, no New York facade, no flashing bulbs. The bushes, their shelter. They bathe here, eat, sleep, empty themselves here. Right where you stand, they live, die every day. Raw like fish market, dump, the stench lingers. Audience gathers at the corner, lights dim. Show begins. The stylistics cry from a speaker outside an Arab store. Action actors pushing crack cocaine, marijuana, heroin pills, or anything that will make you sing. You're all I need to get by. Fire, fire, fire. The crack too sweet. They fall asleep. A lit candle drips on the table. Waxes the naked devil getting ready to steal the next scene. Siren screams, cops rounding corners, flashing blue, red lights, actors scatter. Next scene, a black over, gunshots fly like 4th of July. Another young black actor cut down before his 20th birthday. The stage is cordoned. Tapes of the final act. No one will snitch. On a sidewalk bench, a young woman falls asleep, upside down, naked, exposed to the sky. Old men at the park stroking memories, sipping from big bottles of bud. They tell each other stories. They laugh, cry, get high. The sun shoos the moon away. Actors freeze, fall asleep on milk crates, park benches, garbage heaps, dirty sidewalks. The soundtrack gets sadder. The credits roll. President, senators, governors, congressmen, state representatives, county commissioners, all key players. The end of a shift, new actors, same script. If you miss the first showing, this is it. Thank you.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziah the Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise I go on with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talk about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziah the Great Collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziah the Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.